Welcome to PanelApp. To become an expert reviewer, you first need to register. We're asking that reviewers have expertise in a relevant disease area, diagnostic genetic testing, or in the genes relevant to the rare diseases that are part of the 100,000 Genomes project. Your name and affiliation, workplace and group will be publicly shown when you make reviews. Please use your institute or NHS email to register. Once you've had your confirmation email through and clicked on the link, you can log in as a reviewer. Background information instructions are available on the homepage. Please read the gene panel guidelines on how to rate the genes within the gene panel. We're asking expert reviewers of the gene panels to help establish a consensus green diagnostic grade list of genes that have a high level of confidence for a role in the relevant rare disease. The Role of Expert Reviewers tab also provides instructions on what we would like from reviewers. Find the gene panel that you would like to review. Read the eligibility statement to have an idea of the inclusion and exclusion criteria for that particular disorder. You can view who's already reviewed the panel and the list of genes within the panel. This list is sortable and can be filtered. To make your review, click on the Add Review tab or the gene. Provide a rating for the gene based on the guidelines available on the PanelApp homepage. Select a mode of inheritance. If the phenotype is not caused by loss of function variants within this gene, please select this option and provide comments. Add publications supporting your review and any phenotypes. If you're submitting this evaluation on behalf of a clinical lab, please indicate whether you report variants within this gene as part of your current diagnostic practice by checking the box. Support your review by providing comments and any further evidence required, and submit. You can see your review and you can edit or delete at any time. You can also view other people's reviews alongside. The genes that you have reviewed will be indicated, and you can scroll through the panel to provide reviews for each gene. You can also add genes to the panel by using the Add Gene tool. The gene that you've added will be at the bottom of the list and indicated in grey. Please then provide a review for that gene and comments on why that should be added to the panel. At any time, you can leave PanelApp and come back to finish reviewing the panel. Your evaluations will be saved within the review tool. If you click on your login ID, you can see your user information, change your password. You can also see a list of the evaluations that you've made and link back to that panel and that gene. Your review will be saved within the review tool, and so you can change your rating, etc., and submit your review again. Reviewers' evaluations and comments will be collated by Genomics England, and using a set of rules with guidance from the Validation and Feedback GSIP domain, version 1 of the gene panels will be released as the first set of gene panels evaluated by experts. The finalised green diagnostic grade genes will be used in the tiering of genetic variants in order to aid clinical interpretation of the genomes sequenced as part of the 100,000 Genomes project, and they will also be publicly available. The red list of genes will be maintained as a list of genes that cannot currently be used to report clinically. These genes may be of interest for research purposes and may be promoted to green as more evidence for the gene disease association arises. We would like to encourage experts to become reviewers of the gene panels and provide their expert opinion to gain consensus and standardisation. We acknowledge the huge amount of work this is for reviewers, but hope the PanelApp will be a valuable resource for the scientific community. We'd like to thank all experts who have contributed their time and knowledge to reviewing gene panels on PanelApp. Thank you. For queries related to PanelApp, please contact the email below.